Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play games with money. First, always understand the specific rules and odds of any game you choose to play. This knowledge is crucial for making informed decisions. Next, establish a clear budget for your gaming activities and commit to not exceeding it. This helps manage your finances responsibly. Finally, recognize the importance of knowing when to walk away, especially after a loss. Effective strategies can significantly improve your chances. For instance, learning basic strategy in games like blackjack can reduce the house's advantage. It's also wise to diversify your gaming, exploring different options to find what suits you best. Remember to always prioritize responsible play. Taking short, regular breaks helps maintain focus and prevents impulsive decisions, ensuring a more enjoyable experience overall. Many common mistakes can quickly diminish your enjoyment and funds. Never play when you are feeling emotional or under the influence, as this impairs judgment. It is also critical to avoid borrowing money for gaming, as this can lead to serious financial trouble. Be extremely cautious of any offers promising quick, easy riches. These are almost always deceptive and designed to take your money. For those looking to enhance their experience, consider leveraging loyalty programs offered by gaming establishments. These can provide valuable perks and rewards over time. If you ever feel that your gaming habits are becoming problematic, please do not hesitate to seek professional help. Resources are available. Also, for a great way to organize your meals, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.